Y'all, back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, guys. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And usually it's our whole family, but today it's just me and Teddy. Everybody's sick. Teddy seems to be doing okay. I have a fever.
I don't have a fever, but I have a cough.
Yeah, but we're not gonna let that hold us back, right? We're gonna go get those plants, right? And we gotta get going quick too, because someone's gonna get them before us. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They come around and crush up all of our plants if we don't get them first. So me and Teddy are gonna get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we just found some Schefflera cuttings. This is one, yeah, go ahead and grab it. This is one that we can root from cuttings. So we're definitely gonna grab that. All right, so these people have had a giant pile of bromeliads out the past 2 weeks, and here's another pile. Go ahead and grab some of those, buddy. Those look good, those striped ones right there. Oh my gosh.
There's tons of the stripe.
Yeah, I know, there's so much to choose from. Holy cow, look at that. We're definitely gonna grab more of those up. All right, we just found some pothos right there in that bin. Yeah, just grab it all. All right, super tropical plant. All right, y'all, we just found a ton of Dracaena right here. Oh my gosh, look at it all. It's too much for us to get. We got to get some of it. Go ahead and grab some of it up. Get some of those good ones right there.
Yeah.
Holy cow, look at it all. All right, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some spiral ginger poking out in this pile here, and this stuff is tough as nails. You can plant it from cuttings. You can see it's even like growing out of this pile right here. It's crazy. So Teddy's gonna grab some of these up. All right, we're cruising along here. It doesn't look like a lot of piles on this street. We'll have to try a different street, I guess. All right. We just rolled up on a giant pile of false agaves. I mean, there must be like, I don't know, 40 of them in here, right, bud?
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna grab some of these up for sure. All right, we just rolled up on a prize, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Looks like a rooted coconut, sprouted coconut with roots. Sweet. We're taking that. All right, I went flying by this, but Teddy spotted it. There's some dragon fruit right there. That looks like a good cutting. It looks like there's some roots on it too.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It looks like it was growing on the ground like that.
Yeah, I know it does. That's some tough stuff right there. All right, we're gonna take that. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
We're still alive.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're still a little under the weather
Yeah.
feeling, but we did get some good stuff today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
We even picked this up at the end. I don't know what it is. Some kind of
It's heavy duty.
yeah, some kind of heavy duty light cover or something. Sitting in the middle of the road. Probably just trash. But we did get some good stuff here. Maybe let's pull this bin down and then you can pull the stuff out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy. You can pull the stuff out one by one. What should we start with?
Coconut.
Yeah, so that's probably the prize of the day, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. I mean, it's sprouted. It has roots. It looks like maybe someone, I don't know if it was in a pot or, I don't know. That's a nice one.
Looks like it was like this one. It looks like it was barely in the ground.
Yeah, I think it might have been in a pot. I don't know. That's a nice one though. It looks pretty healthy.
Yeah.
I'll put it in a nice pot and until I have a place for it. All right, what else we got?
Dragon fruit.
Yes, we did get some dragon fruit.
This is
So-
the find of the day.
Yeah, maybe it is because it. Well, I was gonna say because it gives us food, but so does the coconut. Who knows what kind of dragon fruit this is? If it's a yellow one or a red one, or if it has red flesh or yellow flesh, who knows? But
White.
we'll take it, right, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next are false agave.
Oh yeah, we got tons of these. We got like 1 million of them, didn't we?
Yeah.
Careful not to spike yourself too bad.
Yeah. Sure.
These are cool. We already have some of these. We actually find these quite often. These are prolific little plants. They put off lots of little pups.
Oh, you got tomato plants.
Oh, I did. Yeah, we got some Spanish moss here. Nice. Your mom will be happy about that. You know, she loves her air plants. Oh my gosh, they just keep coming, don't they?
When did they stop?
I think that's all of them. All right, so we got, look at that, guys. We probably got like, I don't know, 10 or 12 of those, didn't we?
Yeah, there's just a few tiny ones at the bottom.
All right, we'll get those when we
Yeah.
get everything. All right, so what we got next?
Dracaena.
Oh, the Dracaena, and those are nice cuttings. Yeah, this is a nice. So this is one you can just plant from cuttings. You can literally just poke that right in the ground. And
If you remember, it were like there was millions of them.
yeah, there was like 4 or 6 trash cans of them, weren't there?
Yeah.
It was crazy. We got a lot though. We got some nice cuttings here, I'd say. Man, these are nice, healthy cuttings. They're already shooting off new growth. I'm stoked. All right.
Now we've got some bromeliads. First, I'll start with.
Oh, we did,
This
yes. So look at that one. That one's beautiful. It's spiky, but it's beautiful. Oh, I like that one. I think we already have that one, but I'll
Same
take
with
another
this
one. Now this one we don't have. I have one that looks like this, but that's smaller. I don't have one this
We
size.
don't have this.
No, I have one that looks just like this, but that's probably half the size of this. I don't have one this big.
Oh
But
yeah, that one's tiny. It has smaller leaves.
yeah, where is it?
Right there.
Yeah, let's go look at it real quick. Is it along the driveway up here?
Yeah, it's right here. But
Yep, there it is. So this one we've had in the ground for a long time, and that I know this is as big as it gets. Right here.
Yeah, cause
In fact, it's already shooting off pups down here. You guys
I've
can
already
see.
taken a pup off of it.
Yeah. So we got like, it looks like a kind of the same.
That's exciting.
It is exciting. We collect. You guys can see we
it's
collect.
rare to find a new kind of bromeliad.
Yeah, we found. Sometimes I feel like we found them all, but I know that there's probably. I know there's several hundred varieties of bromeliads
isn't
in the
there
world.
3,000?
Yeah, it might be thousands. Yeah. So all right, cool. Did we get any more of that one?
Yeah.
We did.
Yeah.
What you got down there? Oh, we did.
Whoa,
Nice.
this one looks more like an even different variety. how it's
Oh,
coming
it
out.
might be. No, I think it's just cut.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's the same. Yeah. All right, what else, kiddo?
Oh, well, we've still got more.
More bromeliads? Oh, we do. Sweet. What a score. Now this one looks different.
Yeah.
This one's different for sure, because this is the full size of this one. See how big this one gets?
We got
And
two
then look at
different
the leaf on that one. Wow.
Whoa.
We got 4 different kinds of bromeliads, I think. Awesome. All right, what else?
We've got the spiral ginger.
Yes, or if you guys remember, it was like
Whoa.
growing out of the pile on the
Look
side
at
of
how
the road.
crazy that is.
Yep, you could probably just plant that, just like that. This node right here. Plant that in the ground, boom, it'll start shooting up new growth for us. All right, what else we got?
Pothos.
Pothos, yes, beautiful pothos. So this is giant pothos. These leaves will get huge. You know, they're small when the plant starts out, but then they get huge. So it's such a tropical looking plant.
Finally, Schefflera.
And then Schefflera, we just grabbed this to show everybody that this is a plant that you can root from cuttings very easily. In fact, I'll show you guys right over here. I did some probably 3 weeks ago. Literally all I did was stick the cuttings right in these pots, and they haven't skipped a beat. They look excellent. In fact, there's new little growth shooting off of them already. Super, super easy plant to root from cuttings. So, all right. Was that the last plant in the bucket?
Yep.
All right, cool. So we did pretty good today. We didn't get the volume we get sometimes, but we did get several varieties of bromeliads. We have this rooted ginger right here. The coconut and the dragon fruit were probably the finds of the day because they're food plants. They'll give us something to eat one day, but
We got 9 different varieties
yeah.
because of the bromeliads.
Yeah, we did great, especially considering we're sick.
Yeah,
Kinda
and it's
fevery.
raining.
Yeah, and it was raining. Yeah, so. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you, just post down below. If you did enjoy our adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get whacked in the head with a big coconut.
Oh, no, and you don't want that to happen. So maybe just consider subscribing to our channel. And until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.